have any question that we have made. Actually, you can see this is a small paper.
Different.
This very different with the others are like very big, very big paper.
Yeah.
The big paper made by Nanda, and the question yes for me, but the small paper I made for Nanda. Alright? The answer is only 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
1, 2, 3. Read book or watching movie?
Watching movie.
Why?
Because I don't really like read book actually.
Oh.
But I love something visual. 3 things that are very identical to yourself.
To me, I am like time, car, not car, bike, and also book.
Okay. You say.
Am I like that? I don't know. I just say it. But yes, I'm bike because I'm travel and you are bike. Then book, yes, because I have to read or something like that.
But you thought that you don't like to read.
No, I mean I read because I need, not because I love to read. And the first thing that I said what?
Motorcycle, right?
No, by the number 2, number 1. I said then I forgot. How could I then? Okay.
So because you forget and you want to revenge. Who is your high school friend that ever you like? You can.
Tiara.
Okay, Tiara. Tiara. Are you there, Tiara? So you still.
No, she don't watch this video.
Because? Why?
I don't have she's number anymore. But okay, it's just like cinta monyet.
Okay. So now that feeling is gone. Okay, Tiara, if you watch this,
Tiara, last day you don't like me. Nowadays you don't like me too.
Okay, Tiara, please hear him. So why? I want to know why.
No.
Because
Actually,
beautiful.
But if I tell that like actually I love her. Like her body language is too beautiful, is girly, and like less girly and also like like that. I love it. What
is that, man?
I mean like
Tiara, why you? Oh my god.
What advice? You understand? What advice you would give to your 15 years old self? You understand what my question? Pesan untuk kau yang berusia 15 tahun lalu gitu. Di usia 15 tahun dulu.
I'm thinking.
Oh, you thinking? Okay, you late to answer. I'm sorry. Why I'm okay. You late. You late that out? No more.
I don't remember.
Yeah.
Oh my god. You wanna talk about me?
What thing you should remember? You just need to say, if me, what advice that I want to say to my 15 years old self is more cheerful. Don't study too much. You have to enjoy the world. That what I want to say to my 15 years old self. You
have to see your face.
Why? What's wrong?
Just in the video. Okay, I'm ready for it.
So tell me what you know what I mean. So what you want to say to your 15 years old self? Nothing advice? Oh my god, no, what's so good?
I have. How to say?
What to say?
You should be more strong.
Oh, you so weak in that age?
Yes, I think.
Very like when you walk, then you fell down.
Oh my god! The thing I had
tulang lunak.
Because
why?
At that time, some of my friends
Okay, I do understand. Okay, enough. If you want to know more, contact.
Okay, next.
Next. Is it your turn? No, you have punishment.
Oh my god. How many times do you shampoo your hair in a week?
In a week, maybe about 7 or
7?
Yeah, 7 or maybe 15.
So every day?
Yeah, like every day. If one day I take bath 2 or 3 times, I will shampoo my hair 3 times. But sometimes when I take bath, I don't have shampoo. I don't shampoo it because I don't have it. Maybe somebody want to share me the shampoo.
You like Indian?
Like that.
So
I do shampoo if I have shampoo.
okay. So what is your shampoo?
My
Duta
shampoo.
lain.
Aku jadi duta shampoo lain. Hah?
Say name that you best friend.
No, you.
Me?
He never agree that I am his best friend. But
Because I don't have best friend.
oh my god.